Greetings everyone, let us now try to solve this third example for arithmetic sequences. So for this problem, we are asked to find the general term of an arithmetic sequence where a3 is equal to -1 and a10 is equal to 48. Okay, so how do we start solving this problem? So we can start by recalling that the nth term of an arithmetic sequence can be found using the formula an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d, okay, where d is the common difference between two terms or the constant term that we add to the previous terms in order to get the next term, and a1 here is our first term. Now if we take a look at our given, we do not have a1, we also do not have d, right? We only have the values of an, okay, and the n here that we have the index of 10 and 3. Okay, so what we can do is solve this just like solving systems of equations. Okay, let us set up our equations first. So we have a3, right? So a3 is equal to a1 plus 3 minus 1, right? 3 minus 1 times d. So this is equal to a3 is equal to a1 plus 2d, right? Okay, so how about the second one? We have a10 is equal to what? a1 plus 10 minus 1 times d. So a10 right here, a1 plus 9d. Okay, so we can now substitute our given to these equations. So we have first a3 is -1, right? -1 is equal to a1 plus 2d. We also have a10. a10 is 48, right? Is equal to a1 plus 9d. Okay, we can then subtract these two equations. What will we get? -49 is equal to, so a1 and a1 here will cancel out. Then we will get here 2d minus 9d, that will be -7d. Okay, so if we find d is equal to 49 divided by 7, that would be 7. So now we found our value for d, right? It's very awesome. Now if we back substitute this, now that we have our d, we can use either of these two equations to find our a1. So I will use this first equation right here. So we have -1 is equal to a1 plus 2 times 7. Okay, -1, a1 plus 14. Therefore, a1 is equal to -15. Okay, so now we have our a1. We also have our d. So now we can find our general term. Our general term, therefore, is an is equal to a1, which is -15, and then plus n minus 1 times d, which is 7. Okay, so if we evaluate that, an is equal to -15 plus 7n minus 7, then you will get an is equal to 7n minus 22. Okay, so here we have our general term. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next video.